Hey, it's Josh Orchin from the Boostr sales team. Hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to reach out to you and tell you about this exciting new product that we just launched called Proposal IQ. Proposal IQ is a proposal recommendation and media plan builder. What we're doing is we're taking a seller's inputs, we're allowing a platform to generate the proposal recommendation of the best media mix based on who the buyer is and seasonality of what they've bought in the past, and then allowing that seller to generate a media plan based on the product recommendation in real time. We know, because we're built with all the advertising verticals, that a lot of categories of business are struggling with the best way of bundling and packaging things together and having an effective sell-through of underperforming and overperforming rates. When I think about Proposal IQ, I think about the digital audio and podcast space, right? Where we have over the air, we have digital, we have display, we have podcasts, we have streaming. What's the best way to get those things together? And then specifically on the podcast side, we have underperforming shows, we have overperforming shows. And what we want to do is be able to link our underperforming and overperforming shows together based on commitments of sales, but also to be able to have advertisers buy deeply through the product suite. So if you guys are interested in hearing more about it and seeing it, please reach out to the Boostr sales team, myself, and get on our website and learn more about it. We'd love to show it to you. Thanks, bye.